Did you know that you can appeal your employment insurance claim that was denied? And you most certainly don't need a lawyer to do so. And why is this so important? Here's the law. Your employment insurance claim was denied. You have exactly 30 days to appeal. Miss it, you're out. So pay attention to those dates. And here's exactly how to do it without a lawyer. The Social Security Tribunal, SST, has two levels, General Division and Appeal Division. Here's how to proceed. Step 1, file your appeal. As I noted earlier, you have exactly 30 days from the decision date to appeal. Fill out the notice of appeal, which you can access directly on the SST website. Explain why you disagree. If you're late, ask for an extension, but don't rely on it. A reason why you should seriously pay attention to the dates of the decision. Step 2, gather your evidence. The SST will send you your EI file. Read it carefully, submit new documents, such as doctor's notes, termination letters, ROEs, that's record of employment. You must submit everything at least 20 days before your hearing. Step 3, and this is very important, prepare your arguments. Focus on the legal issue raised. For example, issues about misconduct, quitting, or your availability. Write a brief summary, prepare any witnesses. When you're writing your summary, remember what we talked about in our previous episodes. Make sure you stick to the facts. Know the distinction between facts and emotions. How you feel about something is it's as important as anything else, but the facts is what matters in this case. Attend the hearing. Most hearings are conducted by video conference. Be honest, be polite, and stick to the facts, not your emotions. Got it? All right. So to sum up, log into your SST portal, download the notice of appeal, gather your evidence, submit it early, and remember, you don't need a lawyer to win. You need evidence and persistence. Now you know.